Okay. This is so cool. Dear Santa Alice frame. How much is it? $6. So they have, oh, missing straw. They have the other one, the black one, $6. And the plain one, it is, oh, it's pretty. I don't know how much is this. And the, what is this? Changing color, $4. The 2 tumbler, $10. Oh, they have a mic. What is that? Holiday character karaoke microphone. $20. Let me see good though. Oh. Oh. I don't know if that works. Advent, $10. What's in there? Okay. Oh, holiday, $6. How many pieces? 18 pieces. Hmm? What is it?
Look at these cups. These cups.
Oh.
Look, it says it.
Glassware. Okay. We just saw this one last night. $20. Oh, damn. This is $9. Santa boots, $10. Snoopy, they have Snoop on the stoop. The glassware, $7. And that mag, ceramic mag. How much is the ceramic mag? Okay. This fall, no, it's not, because I know the fall one are on clearance, but I don't need candle. Look at, oh, look at $5. This is cute. Try me. Oh, sippy cup. Oh, light up. Try me at the bottom. Oh. Oh. Hi. What is this? The sippy cup. One and plated. $2. Oh, the small one.